Hey health buddies, it is Health First on Ravneet Bhalla's channel, your one-stop destination for all things healthy. No, I do not make tall claims, but this is the best gluten-free granola recipe without oats, which is oil-free, refined sugar-free, and vegan. The easy oil-free, gluten-free granola recipe makes a perfect treat as a Navratri snack recipe, or you may call it a Navratri special sweet dish recipe that uses gluten-free falahari puffed amaranth seeds or rajgira or ramdana or seal, almonds, pistachio, buckwheat groats, pumpkin seeds. I have used homemade multipurpose golden syrup or jaggery syrup or molasses to sweeten the gluten-free granola. So let's begin with the Navaratri special sweet dish recipe come no gluten granola. For this Navratri sweet recipe, you need 1 cup of amaranth puffs or popcorn. This is homemade and I have already posted a video recently to show how to make popped amaranth at home without burning. You will also need nuts and seeds of choice. I have taken 1/4 cup of almonds. This is Gurbandi Badam, which is loaded with vitamin E compared to the normal almonds you eat on a regular basis. I'll do a separate video on this to show what almonds you should buy. And you will also find that you have been making the wrong choice in almonds to date. Then we need 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons of pistachio or more, and 1 tablespoon of buckwheat groats or kuttu grain. This is optional, but buckwheat groats take the gluten-free amaranth granola to another level. I'll try out more Navratri recipes with buckwheat groats soon, since it is extremely healthy and nutritive option to include in your diet. To sweeten the granola, let's add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or homemade golden syrup with jaggery. Friends, this is a multi-purpose sweetener that can sweeten your bakes, cakes, and sweets. I always keep it handy for my sweets. Makes life so much easier and adds to the flavor profile of the Navratri sweet dish. Preheat your air fryer or oven to 160 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Mix everything together and bake gluten-free granola in air fryer for 10 to 15 minutes at 140 degrees Celsius. Please do not forget to cover the granola while baking it in air fryer to prevent the seeds from flying. I always use this mesh as a preventative aid. Check if done, else bake a little longer. I baked again for 4 minutes. Your homemade delicious crunchy subtly sweet gluten-free granola is ready for munching. Do give this gluten-free granola recipe a try and share your experience with me. If you like this easy granola recipe, give me a thumbs up and share Ravneet Bhalla's channel with family and friends and spread the word about healthy living. Stay safe, take care, stay blessed.